Hello, bright little minds. Have you ever sat outside at night and heard, why do frogs make that sound? And why mostly at night? Let's find out. Frogs love to live near ponds, lakes, and marshes. That's where they feel safe and happy. That croaking sound isn't just random. It's how frogs talk to each other. Male frogs croak loudly to call female frogs. It's their way of saying, "Hey, I'm over here." Frogs croak more at night because it's cooler, quieter, and safer from big animals. Their voices travel better through the still night air. Did you know? Some frogs can even croak underwater. Isn't that cool? So now you know why frogs croak at night. It's their way to talk, find friends, and enjoy the cool, quiet night. If you loved learning with us, hit subscribe and stay curious because we uncover amazing science every week.